The question is prove that prove that sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2, and also they have given x belongs to minus 1 comma 1. So this means the values of x will be between minus 1 and 1, including minus x value can be minus 1 and 1, and also between minus 1 and 1. That's the meaning of this. Okay, so x values between minus 1 and 1, including minus 1 and 1. That's the meaning. See, when there is square bracket, then minus 1 1 also included. That means x can be minus 1 and 1, and also between minus 1 and 1. That's the meaning of these brackets. Okay, so now if you don't bother much about this, so you mainly concentrate on this one. Okay, so that we have to prove. For that, first I will take this sine inverse of x. Okay, see, I will take let sine inverse of x is equal to, so remember this is inverse, right? Here minus 1 is there, no? So this indicates inverse, sine inverse. When there is sine inverse, after equal sign there will be always an angle. For inverse function, that is equal to theta, some angle always. So I will take this sine inverse of x is equal to some angle. That angle I will take as theta. Okay. Next step is what? So next I will move this sine inverse to this side. Okay. So before that I will keep this x as it is. X is equal to, okay, see, sine inverse, it is a function. So when this sine inverse move to this side, it will become sine, just sine. That's all. When this is moved to this side, this inverse will be there, no? That will go away. So sine inverse will become sine when this is moved to this, and this theta you write as it is. Okay. So next step, write x is equal to, in place of sine theta I will write something. For that we will use a formula. I will write that formula. So this formula you have to remember. See, sine theta is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. So this is a formula you have to remember. Sin theta is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Now in place of sin theta I will write this. What is that? Cos of pi by 2 minus theta. I am going to write it here. Till here you understood, right? Next what I will do, this is cos, right? This I will move to this side. Okay. See, cos is a function. If it is a number like 5, when plus 5 is moved to this side, that will become minus 5. That is a number. 5 is a number. But here the cos is there, no? That is a function. So when a function cos is moved to this side, cos will become cos inverse. So this cos will become cos inverse. Okay. So when this is moved to this side, this cos becomes cos inverse. This x you write as it is equal to, and this pi by 2 minus theta you write as it is. Pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. Next what I will do, here minus theta is there, no? This I will move to this side again. Okay. So this is minus theta. When this minus theta is moved to this side, so this minus theta will become plus theta. Plus theta. I will write here plus theta. Okay. Next, cos inverse x we have to write. Before that, here nothing is there means plus is there. So plus cos inverse x. So this equal sign, this pi by 2. This minus theta is already moved to this side and it became plus theta. Now next step what? Here see, this is the first term, na? This is the first term. If you remove plus sign also, no problem. There is no problem. If there is no plus sign also, it is understood. We have to assume there is a plus sign. For the first term, you can remove plus, but you should not remove this plus. Okay? This plus you can remove because theta is the first term. So no problem. Okay, that is done. Now, in place of theta, we have to substitute something. What we can substitute? See here. In the beginning, I have taken sin inverse x is equal to theta. Since your equal sign is there, okay, we can interchange this and this. Because of this equal sign, we can interchange this and this. So we can write this as implies. So this implies theta is equal to sin inverse of x. So because of this equal sign, I can interchange this and this, no problem. So when I interchange, I will get theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Now, since theta is equal to this, in place of theta, I will substitute this sin inverse x. So in place of theta, I will substitute this sin inverse x. I am substituting sin inverse of x. Next this plus, next this cos inverse is equal to pi, this is equal to pi by 2. Okay, now I will just put the bracket. Now this is the answer we have got. This is what we want. What question says? We have to prove sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. We have proved it. See, sin inverse x is equal to plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. See, this and this same. That means we have proved it. So we got the answer. So this is the answer. We have proved it. Okay. So that's all. Anything if you want to see related to the teaching and the concept, please mention in the comment. Okay, I will follow that comments. Thank you, and click on subscribe.